Very good afternoon, students. Myself Kishore Deshmukh. I am a mathematics tutor and I am teaching mathematics since last 15 years. I am having 15 years experience of teaching mathematics. I have taught to school level as well as college level. I am working in one junior college since last 11-12 years. I am teaching mathematics to 11 and 12 years. I am teaching mathematics to 11th and 12th standard. So we are going to deal with this problem. This is problem from matrices, and one matrix is given A. It's a 2 by 2 matrix because there are 2 rows and 2 columns. So it is a 2 by 2 matrix, and we have to verify whether this equation satisfies. This is equal to 0, and then afterwards we will find out A inverse by using adjoint method. Now, first of all, what is given to us that we will write down as given. What is given? A. What is A? 3, 1, minus 1 and 2. This is a 2 by 2 matrix as I have told, because there are 2 rows. This is the first row, second row, first column, second column. First of all, we will find out A square. So how we will find out A square? A square is nothing but A into A. What is A? A is a matrix with these elements. Okay. Then again A. As we know the rule of matrix multiplications. The first row and the first column. Okay. Second column. 3 into 3, 9. Second element of first row and second element of second column. 1 into minus 1, minus 1. Similarly, now change the row, change the column. Now first row, second column. 3 into 1, 3, 1. Second element of first row and second element of second column. 1 into 2, 2. Plus. Now change the row because there are 2 columns and we have operated first row with these 2 columns. Now we will change the row and again we will start from column number 1. The second row, column 1. Minus 1 into 3, minus 3. See, minus first element of second column and first element of second row and first element of second column. Now second element of this second row and second element of first column. The first row, second row, first column. Minus 1 into 3, minus 3. 2 into minus 1, minus 2. Now change the column. Now second row, second column. Minus 1 into 1, minus 1. 2 into 2, 4. So this is 8. This is 5. Minus 5. And this is 3. Okay. Now we will find out this 5a. 5 is any scalar multiplied to that matrix, and we know that if any scalar multiplied to any matrix, at that time that scalar multiplies every element of that matrix. So first element, second, third, fourth. 3 into 5, 15. 5 into 1, 5. 5 into minus 1, minus 5. 5 into 2, 10. So it's suppose 2. Now we will find out this third one. That is 7i. 7, again same, 7 is a scalar, I is identity matrix. As A is a 2 by 2, so we will take I also 2 by 2. If in case, if A would have been a 3 by 3, then we would have taken I also 3 by 3. That is 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0 and 0, 0, 1. Now this 7 will multiply to each element. 7 into 1, 7 into 0, 7 into 0, 7 into 1. Okay, now we will verify this result. A square minus 5a plus 7i is equal to, what is a square from 1? See, a square. This is from equation 1 we will get 8, 5. Isn't it? Now minus 5a. We have find out 5a. What is that? 15, 5, minus 5, and this is of course 10. After that plus, this plus 7i. We have found out 7i. What is that? 7007. Now when adding or subtracting two or more matrices, we have to operate on the corresponding elements. Like here, suppose 8 A11 element, that means first row first column, which is that 8, minus first row first column 15 plus first row first column 7. Similarly, A12 second row first row second column, what is that? 5 minus 5 plus 0, minus 5 minus 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 plus 0, sorry, 3 minus 10 plus 7. See this. So 8 plus 7, 15. 15 minus 15, minus 5 minus 5. 15 minus 15 is directly we can get on 0, plus minus 0, minus 5 plus 5 0. Now 3 and 7, 10, 10 minus 10, 0. So this is a null matrix, this is a 0 matrix, and this we have proved. We have taken this. Hence, what we have proved, a square minus 5a plus 7i is equal to 0. This we have proved. See, 2 by 2 matrix was given, and we first of all find out a square 5a 7i, and it was asked to us this to find out the value of this, and this is 0, and this we have verified. Now our second job is to find out the inverse of the given matrix. I will drop this. Now we are asked to find out, I have dropped this, we are asked to find out the inverse of this matrix. This matrix is this. So inverse formula is 1 upon determinant of A into adjoint of A. So adjoint of A is nothing but we have to find out cofactor matrix of A. So cofactor matrix, directly I will do this. Now here, first of all we will find out determinant of A. Determinant of A is 3 into 2, 6 minus 1 into 1, minus 1, 6 minus minus plus 1, that is equal to 7. While finding out adjoint of A, we have to find out adjoint of A. So we will find out cofactor matrix. Okay, so minus 1 raised to I plus j, and then sign we will, this is a minor matrix we have to find out first of all. Okay, then we have to find out its cofactor matrix. So we will do this directly here, as I will assume that you know minors and cofactors. Okay, so first of all, M11 first. So what we have to do? We have to eliminate first row and first column. See what is left? See, hide this. First row and first column. What is there? 2. So minus 1 raised to, what is I? 1. What is j? 1. Now we have to delete first row, first column. What is left? 2. So minus 1 raised to 2 into 2. So minus 1 square is 1. 1 into 2 is 2. So M12 minus 1 raised to I plus j. See Mij's formula here. Okay. Mij minus 1 raised to I plus j. Okay. So 1 plus 2. Now first row. See, I have added first row and second column. First row, second column. What is that? Minus 1. Minus 1 raised to, now odd power, minus minus will become plus. Now M21, again odd power. Now 2 means second row, first column. What is that? 1. Minus 1 raised to 3. See, minus 1 raised to 3. Minus 1's third power will be again minus 1. Sorry, into 1 is here. So this will become minus 1 into 1, so that is minus 1. If I am not wrong, let's verify once again. 3 minus 1, first row, second column. See here, ultimately plus m to 2, minus 1 raised to 2 plus 2. Now second row and second column, what is left? 3 is left. Minus 1 raised to 4 into 3, even power, so minus 1 will turn into 1 into 3, so this is 3. So this is a minor matrix. Now its cofactor matrix, if we want to find out its, now adjoint matrix directly I will find out. So adjoint of A, see here, so M11 we have to take its transpose, so directly I will take transpose. So 2, it will be 1, it will be minus 1, and it will be 3. Now we have to write, this is the way we will find it out. Now A inverse, formula 1 upon determinant of A into adjoint of A. So what is determinant of A? 7. What is adjoint of A? 2 minus 1, 1, 3. This is the A inverse, or simply you may say 2 by 7 minus 1 by 7, or 1 by 7, or 3 by 7. If you multiply A inverse, so this is the test. A into A inverse is I means identity matrix. So we will see, we will check, cross it out that whether we have done it correctly or not. This you don't have to do in exam, but simply for our sake of understanding, we will try this. What is A? 3, 1, minus 1, 2. What is A inverse? 2 by 7. Okay, so first row, first column, 3 into this, 6 by 7, plus 1 into 1 by 7. Right? First row, second column, 3 into this, minus 3 by 7, 1 into this, plus 3 by 7. Now both the columns are over. Now change the row. Second row, first column, minus 1 into this, minus 2 by 7, 2 into this, plus 2 by 7. Now second column, minus minus, plus 1 by 7. 2 into 3 by 7 is ultimately 6 by 7. This is the matrix. So see here, 6 plus 1, 7 by 7. This 0, plus minus 0, and this is 7 by 7, and 7 by 7 is nothing but 1, and this is nothing but identity matrix. That means A into A inverse is equal to I. This means our answer is correct. So this way we have seen the matrix operation. In that 1 2 by 2 matrix was given, and we had asked to find the verify this and finding A inverse. I suppose you understood this, and we will see such more videos in the coming years or in the coming time. Thank you.